Heddiw rydym yn lansio Bwrsariaeth Amaethyddol CFfI Cymru mewn cydweithrediad a Chwmni Anrhydeddus Lifrai Cymru. Dyma gyfle arbennig i aelodau presennol a gyn-aelodau CFfI Cymru rhwng 15 a 10 flwydd oed i fynd ati i geisio ennill 1000 o bunnau i gyfrannu tuag at menter amaethyddol newydd neu bresennol. Rydym yn hynod o ddiolchgar i Gwmni Anrhydeddus Lifrai Cymru am roi y bwrsariaeth hael hon mwyn cefnogi pobl ifanc yn y diwydiant amaeth yma yng Nghymru. Felly, ewch ati ymgeisio rhwng rwan a'r dyddiad cau, sef dydd Gwener Medi y 19. Am fwy o wybodaeth, ewch draw i wefan CFfI Cymru.
It gives me great pleasure today to announce the launch of the Wales YFC Agricultural Bursary in association with the Worshipful Livery Company of Wales. This is an exciting opportunity for current and past members aged between 16 and 30 for the chance to win £1,000 towards developing a new or existing agricultural venture. Now, we are of course extremely grateful to the Worshipful Livery Company of Wales for donating the generous amounts towards this bursary in order to support young people in the Welsh agricultural industry. We hope to see lots of exciting and innovative ideas be presented by the deadline. The deadline is the 18th of September. For more information, please visit the Wales YFC website, but best of luck.
Mae'r bwrsariaeth bod yn help mwr i mi gychwyn y busnes off. Nes i ddefnyddio'r arian i brynu system electric fence, fel ydych chi'n gweld tu ôl i yma. Mae'r defaid yn cael ei pori mewn celloedd a mae'n cael ei symud unwaith bob 24 awr. Nes i brynu dipyn o bolion a electric fence. Mae'r defaid yn cael ei godro unwaith y dydd a mae'r llefrith yn cael ei werthu i Cosyn Cymru. Mae Cari Rhymes, mae hi'n gwneud iogwrt, caws meddal a caws calad efo'r cynnyrch. Yn weithio ni ar gyfer y dyfodol agos ydy dwi'n gobeithio wneud cychwyn milkshakes, defnyddio llefrith dafad. Bydd hein milkshakes iachus iawn, gan fod llefrith dafad yn cynnwys dwbl o protein a dwbl o calsiwm i gymeru efo llefrith buwch. Diolch. The bursary has been a great help to me to kick-start off my business. The money was used to purchase an electric fence system, as you can see behind me. The setup cost for this cell grazing system was pretty expensive. The sheep are moved daily in 24-hour shifts and they're milked once a day at the moment. The milk is sold to Cari Rhymes of Cosyn Cymru. She makes soft and hard cheese with the milk and also yogurt. My plans for the near future are hopefully start making milkshakes using the used milk. Used milk contains double the protein and double the calcium compared to cow's milk, so it's a very nutritious drink. Thank you.